Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can reset your forgotten password on Chipotle app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.chipotle.com. Once you type in this URL, you will be redirected to its home page where you can see the three lines on the left hand side of the corner. There you need to click on the sign in option and type in your email address. So once you are done typing in your email address, all you need to do is click on the forgot password option. So after doing this, you need to click in and type your email address again and press the continue button. Now you will get your reset password link on your email address and you're all done. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative tutorial videos.